In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button to your Squarespace blog. If you want to grow your audience and give blog readers an easy way to stay connected, adding a subscription option through a promotional pop-up is a simple and effective method. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the settings and how to customize them so the pop-up feels intentional and on brand. To get started, log into your Squarespace site and click on Website. This will take you into the main area where your site structure and settings are managed. From there, click on Pages. This is where you'll find the navigation and key tools connected to your website content. Next, look for Marketing Tools and click into it. Squarespace places promotional features here, which makes sense because this is where you can create tools designed to increase engagement and conversions. Now click on Promotional Pop-up. This is the feature we'll use to create a subscribe button experience for your blog visitors. Once you're inside, click on Display Pop-up to turn the feature on. If this setting is disabled, your visitors won't see anything, so make sure it's enabled before moving on. After that, click on Action. This section controls what happens when someone interacts with the pop-up. Under Goal, select either sign up for a newsletter or click a button, depending on the type of subscribe experience you want to create. If your goal is collecting email subscribers, the newsletter option is usually the best fit. If you want the button to send visitors somewhere else, the button option may be more appropriate. When that's done, go back to the previous screen and click on Content. This is where you'll shape the message your visitors actually see. Edit the headline and body text so the pop-up clearly explains why someone should subscribe. Keep the message short, direct, and benefit focused. For example, you want readers to immediately understand what they'll get from signing up, whether that's updates, new blog posts, or exclusive content. Once you've updated the wording, click Save to keep your changes. Then go back again and open Display and Timing. This section is important because it determines when the pop-up appears, which can have a big effect on how it performs. From here, you can select the timing that works best for your audience. In general, choose a setting that gives visitors a moment to engage with your blog before the pop-up appears, so it feels helpful rather than intrusive. And that's it. You've now set up a subscribe button experience for your Squarespace blog using the promotional pop-up feature.